special program, local fund, etc. Dapat pa-segregate ito. Kasi if that's how you're going to do it, then yung problema about minimal lang yung budget for women, minimal lang yung budget for the deportees, for trafficking, victims of trafficking, justify nyo na that you need more. You need more budget to cater to women who are victims of trafficking and men and children, women who are victims of violence. So, mas justify yun. Kaya dapat klaro yun. I think kailangan yung i-review ulit sa planning nyo, yung targeting and the way that you present your accomplishments.
Shukran for that, Ma'am ES. Noted po. You will do that.
For our next regular program, we have the Disabled Persons Welfare Program. We have the target of 21,480 for the older persons, but we were able to cater 53,447. That's around 248%. And for the persons with disability, we targeted 10,740, and we only catered 10,330. Again, a 98% serve or catered persons with disability. For the emergency assistance program, we targeted 87,726, but as to the implementation for 2015, we were able to reach the 361,190. No, that's the individuals. The individuals. We were able to reach the 361,190 individuals, or the 87,726 families. So, yung dito po, we provide food packs, health assistance, rural assistance, livelihood, and so on and so forth, under the emergency assistance program. Just to give you the list, ma'am, of our intervention as emergency assistance, nandito po yung the matrix of the emergency assistance provided for Bay 15.
The office of the regional governor committed to serve and satisfy the needs and aspirations of the people of the Autonomous Region. We commit to provide dynamic and responsive leadership